Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMG Studio. Today we will continue with our Android series, how to develop an OKR tracking app for Android with Jetpack Compose and Kotlin. And today we will set up our CI, which is quite late, but whatever. And as you can see, I needed to fix the project because I'm stupid. I forgot to push the changes from the last video.
Emotional damage!
But now let's take a look at this CI and what it actually does. Well, it doesn't do that much. It sets up the job, it checks out the project, it sets up the Java JDK, it builds the Gradle, it runs the unit tests. It uploads the app, but we will do this in a later video, so this is why we just show a to-do comment. And if a CI/CD failed, it will send us a message. But you can see it didn't fail because it isn't checked. And now let me show you how to do this. First, click on Actions, and then you can see the failed jobs and the succeeded one, and we will press on New Workflow. Then this should look something like this, and we will start with a simple workflow, because we will do it on our own. And you can see we will configure the simple workflow. And now we will name it pull_request.yaml because this is for pull requests, and I will add an underscore to separate them. You can do whatever you want, but I like to separate file names with an underscore. And I deleted everything because we will start from scratch. First we will name it, and I will just name it Android CI because it's an Android CI. Then we have to tell it when to run. So if we make a pull request, so on pull request, we want to do it just on the develop branch. So we can specify branches and we will only take the develop run. Now we will take one job and we will call it builds, and it runs on Ubuntu latest. We will factor it later, maybe in a later video, but for now it's fine. Our first step is to check out the project. So we will name it checkout, and it uses actions/checkout at version 2. Then we have to set up the Java JDK, and we will use actions/setup-java at v1. With Java version 19, we need to change it later. Java version 19 is the current version, but our Android Studio uses a different one and we want to use the same version. And now we can build the project. We will build Gradle and run Gradle build. I have no idea how to pronounce it, sorry guys. And after this we can run our unit tests. So run unit tests, and we will call Gradle test. And this is it, guys. After it we could upload our app. And if it fails, so we will name it CI/CD failed. And if failure, this checks if something failed, we will run echo to do send telegram message that test something failed. Well, we need to fix this. And the Java version I want to use, because my Android Studio uses it, is version 11. Let me show you where you can find it. You have to open your Android Studio file path, and then you can see where I click. And basically it's under Contents, JEA, Contents, Home, and there's a release file. And as you can see, it uses Java version 11. And this is why we want to use Java version 11 in the CI too. And this is it, guys. This is our first CI for the pull request. It's a pretty basic CI, I know it's not much we do. We will continue working on it in the next videos, and we will also send out some Telegram messages or something else, maybe Slack messages. I don't know what I want to use now. And yes, let's see what happens. As you saw in my pull request, it's actually really important to have such a CI which builds your projects and runs your unit tests, because if you are stupid like me, you forget it. And you have to commit it, obviously. It will commit directly to the master. You can also create a pull request, but I committed and pushed it directly to the master because I'm lazy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. We will try to help you, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating, stop consuming.